You know what? I have a special guest with me today, a really cool guy. You guys have seen him in a couple of my videos. Of course, you guys already know, baby, we gotta start this thing like a Danny Z video. We're at the gas station, just like a Danny Z video. But today, like I said, I have a special guest with me because today we're doing bags versus coilovers. In my opinion, I personally am not a huge fan of bags. Now, the guy that I'm gonna introduce will say otherwise, obviously, because let's just showcase his car a little bit. I'm gonna hit you guys with a montage. We got Z through Charlie, baby.
What's up, guys?
So, this one that has this beautiful Fismo. I want your hood so bad. Dude, just sell me this hood, bro.
20 grand.
20, bro, come on. Dude, but look at that. Carbon fiber, oh, wait, no. Carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood, bags. Bro, you're rich, dude.
Nah, just lucky.
Wait, you gonna air out for the peasants or what?
Damn right.
Woo! Oh, wait. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty sick, bro. Like, I'm gonna finish fueling up like Danny Z because just like him, I don't know why, I just wait till the last minute to fuel my car, but whatever. We're gonna go to our secret spot and then we're gonna talk about this because like I said, I personally am not a huge fan of bags. I like that though, that's cool. I like airing out, but maybe he can, oh dang, look at that tuck though. Dang, bro. See, like, I like to, oh, you know what, let me wait, but still, like.
Today we're gonna change our opinions.
We'll see, bro.
Because, look at it. You just gotta say, it looks clean.
It does look hard, though. I don't like bags, change my mind. Oh, man, Noir Gang, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I love doing pulls in my videos, but it's just not the same. Dude, tell me how my car sounds like a Prius, bro. Like, look, here, you guys can get some sauce on. It sounds so bad. Like, where are my pops? Where are my pops? Oh, what the? Just sell. I'm selling the car. All right, we're gonna be at the spot in a bit, but I just had to expose myself a little bit. All right, here we are. You guys already know this is the spot. Here's beautiful Monica. Beautiful, beautiful. She's just too quiet, but beautiful. We got Z through Charlie, baby. Like I said, so here's his slow bag Z.
Is it really that slow?
No, you beat me on my flame map. I can't say anything, but today I wanted to talk about this car because me, myself, like I said, I've never really been a fan of bags. I kind of played with the idea. So that when I met Charlie and he told me he was bag, I think I met you officially at a meet, right?
First time I met you, was your meet.
Yeah, okay. But I wanted to just talk about why I wouldn't go with a bag system, and then he's gonna convince me why I should. Let's start with why I wouldn't, because to be honest with you, we were talking about this a little bit off camera. The thing is, you guys already know I like to drag race a lot, like a lot. Here we are, you know, like the bag systems, they add a lot of weight, as I thought. At least back in the day, I remember I used to see these giant tanks, all these compressors. They used to look so bananas, and sometimes you'll like, compared to when the car was sitting stock, you'll see it like lean back. I don't know, it sounds stupid, but this is, I remember when bags were becoming a thing, you get me? Why did you go with bags, bro?
For bags, it was just on the spot decision. I was on IG, I saw my mechanic posted 25% discount on bags. I was like, I just got my income money, and I was like, all right, let me jump the gun. And that was it. That was my decision.
And how long have you had these bags?
2 years now. 2
years?
Yeah.
Man, what is with it? Are these like some Chinese tires, bro? What are these?
You don't want to know. I got them for like, I bought them for $100.
Oh my God, Charlie. But yeah, so he has the bag set up, and you guys, I don't know if you guys already seen it, but I think it was like 2 videos or 3 videos ago we ran and he beat me on the flame map, but once I put my race map, it was game over. But I realized if he was able to catch up top end that easy and like, I don't know, it kind of changed my mind. I was like, maybe it's not that bad. Personally, never liked bags just because of the weight itself, and I thought it might slow me down, but Charlie over here is like, he's just changing the game, baby, you know?
Fastest bag Z?
Oh, damn, you're gonna claim that?
No,
oh,
I won't.
Bro, you better wait till you're tuned for that, baby.
No, definitely when I get tuned shooting flames, that'll be the day.
Tell me, what are the benefits of being bag bro?
First thing, you saw me rolling in backwards, aired up. You didn't have, I don't worry about anything rolling backwards or scraping on these rocks or speed bumps or anything, because you saw me coming here. I swerved a little bit because there was a ditch, but if I could have gotten over it, no problem. I don't scrape or anything.
And how does the management system work?
Oh, it's remote controller.
Let's go look at it. Let's go look at it, bro. And how simple is it to use?
It's very simple. At first, it was confusing.
So what is it doing right now? It's just putting air in the compressor?
Yeah, no, it's putting the compressor's putting air in the tank.
Oh, okay.
Right now it's airing up, but pretty much it's very simple. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings. The middle one, you press it 3 times. I'm already in the settings, but it's just my right height settings. Right here is my car show mode.
Car show mode. Oh, so like you can roll on this, but not too far.
Yeah, just asking for too much. And then for you to air out the very bottom one, you press it 2 times and you hold it down.
Okay. That's so sick. Like, look, I know I complain about bags and everything, but I've always just loved the aesthetic of it. Like, dude, that's so dope. Like, look how low you are, bro. Like, I'm breaking my back just trying to film this, bro.
Look at the exhaust.
Oh, dude, look how, oh my God, bro. I don't even think you can see it on camera that well because there's shadows. But dude, you're pretty tucked under there. Like, you're almost scraping the ground with your exhaust. Yeah. Or is it hitting the ground?
Sometimes it depends on the ground.
Depends on the ground. You've actually preferred this over coilovers?
Yeah, actually, I never had coilovers, so I can't really compare. But I had springs before. I prefer this way over than springs.
I think anybody just prefers anything over springs, for sure.
Yeah.
Because springs, don't get me wrong, springs are a good budget option, but if you can get coilovers or bags and you choose spring, I really advise not to. But maybe I should let you drive my car to see if there's like a huge difference, because how's the ride quality? For 2
years, it's been great. No complaints. It rides smooth and doesn't bounce that much. For 2 years, no complaints.
Okay.
You can ride it later. Drive it.
Yeah. I ain't gonna say no, bro, but the reason why I went with coilovers is because 1, I got it at a dirt cheap price, so I'm not even gonna like lie, you know, but 2, I got coilovers just because like this car, like besides the swap that's going on, it's gonna have a heavy track focus. Like my plan with this swap is to be, you know, it's to have it kind of like daily driverish, but at the same time, you can still drive miles, go to the track, have your fun, and then drive back home. That's my plan with this, and then also coilovers just always seem to fit in that like kind of description of it all, you know? Monica, like, don't get me wrong, I've always kind of like tempered with the idea of just bagging her, but I needed someone to convince me, like, and don't get me wrong, I think this is tight, but I really wish we knew like the weight figures and all that.
Yeah, it's hard to find. I was trying to do research to get like details, but I personally feel like it's not a big difference. When I went bagged and I took it off the line, I didn't feel no difference. Oh, because you've already been on track, right? No, not on the Z. Like I've been on personal feeling, like, you know, just launching it. Oh, butt Thanos? Yeah. And my butt says, doesn't feel a difference. I've always just wanted, I guess we can drive it later and see, because like I've never even driven a bad car, so I don't even know. So you'll be popping my cherry. You're taking my virginity. I take a lot of virginities with this car. Wow, pause. But yeah, so I want to drive this car, see how it feels, and then we can go from there. But and then I'll let you drive mine as well too, to see if it's, I know we're gonna have to put the seat up like 10 million like feet ahead because you're so tiny, dude. Yeah, not as bad as Danny Z. I mean, no, Danny Z66, don't worry. All right, I'm gonna drive his car. Thing is super low, but wow. All right. Yeah. Whoa, your clutch is soft as hell, bro. Is it? Yeah. Oh my God. No, not what? Dude, I caught it off camera, but the car just started lifting by itself. Like I haven't even pushed anything. Yeah, that's your management controller. It does it automatically. It goes to your right height. You see how it's blinking? Oh, so every time you start the car, it's just gonna do that? Yeah, especially when I'm aired out. If I'm already in this air out, right height mode, don't worry about it. Dang, dude, I'm not gonna lie, it feels so cool, bro. Like you feel the car just like moving and stuff. Like I feel like we're in a Transformer. Airing up, pretty freaking cool. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is pretty dope. Let's see the ride quality, because I think that's what I'm more interested in. So go hit that shit. Hit it. All right, air, monster mode. Ooh, what the? Yo, this thing is like, it feels like it's like a drag car. So are you at normal like level height now? No, we're in monster mode right now. We're at high right. Okay, all right. Hit me with the lower like ride height. Is that where you're at? No, right now this is my ride height right here. Dude, that's so cool, bro. You can feel it adjusting on your butt. Like you feel everything.
Dude, this is so cool, man. You're kind of changing my mind slowly, dude. Is this how it was with JP also?
Yeah.
Oh my God. See, I'm not used to driving. Oh, because you have the rev match.
Yeah, rev match sport mode.
Must be nice.
Monster mode. It goes
That's so cool.
You don't have to go press buttons 100 times. We could do auto, manual mode too. Like I press these buttons. Like let me bring both of these. I'm bringing the right side down. You're gonna feel it in a second. And I'm bringing the left side down.
That's so sick. Dude, the guy behind us is be like, what the hell is that car doing?
Oh man, like when you go to a light and sometimes people look at you and I air out, they're like, what?
They hear the psh. Dude, but the ride quality is super smooth. It's not that bumpy, bro, like at all. This is actually nice. Like my coilovers, you'll feel it, are bumpy, dude. Like when you go over any little thing, you feel it.
Oh,
like
really?
Yes, you will feel it.
Gotcha.
You mind if I rip your car one time, bro?
Go for it.
Yes, really? Oh my God, it automatically revs for you. That's so nice. Okay, you know we gotta.
What do you do there? Secret sauce?
Yeah, bro. You know, little turbo button and all that. So what? 20 roll? Do you spin?
First gear, yeah.
Okay. All right. You ready? Not bad, dude.
Dang! Woo!
Did you poop your pants a little bit?
I got a little scared, honestly.
No, I shifted your car pretty slow, dude. So, cause I was like, oh wait, let me do something. Oh, that's so cool. Like, all right, one more. Okay, now I understand why people like the rev match. It sounds cool, but I like doing it. It feels weird not doing it myself. Whatever, it's not the point of this video. The point is that felt actually super smooth. And I think I burnt a little bit of your clutch. I'm sorry, because I can't smell it. Yeah, but
it's old. It's due. It's due.
Yeah, because I didn't want to. I don't know if you saw, but I wasn't as aggressive on your car as I was on as I am on mine. It's not my car, you know. Oh, that's so sick, bro. Okay, one thing I will notice though is that the weight distribution, you do feel it, like a little bit. You feel like, I think you'll feel it in my car. It leans back just a tad. You feel the weight in the rear just a little bit, but it's not that much, bro. Your car pulled. Man, you ready? You ready, bro?
I'm ready. But
all right. I'm not gonna lie. Once these tires dry up a little bit, I want to see you give like a 40 roll, bro. I'm gonna highly count it. You ready? Get to 40. Get to 40. You ready? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! I'm proud of you, bro.
Thanks, man.
But see, the coilovers they help you hook those.
Yeah, I didn't feel no spin at all. Well, then again, you got some nice tires.
Yeah, I got some sticky ickies, bro. So now I'm gonna steal both vlogs. So one thing I love about coilovers more than bags that I've noticed is that it really helps you hook, like a lot different than. I feel so nervous when you driving my car. I don't know if you felt the same.
Yeah, I felt nervous.
But you plant so much more, but at the same time, dude, the convenience of having bags, bro, it's just different. Like, it felt so good to be able to like air up. Well, I wasn't the one doing it, Charlie was. We're back. What do you think, bro? So what, you would still choose bags over coilovers?
Yes, I will actually.
Just because of the convenience of it all?
Convenience, static, how it looks, just everything about it. And you don't lose that much performance either. So that's why I think it's a win-win-win-win.
Guys, a lot of you guys are either gonna love or hate me, but I'm gonna have to say, I still personally prefer the coilovers, but just because it plants the power a little bit, just a tad bit better. But maybe, depending on the route I take with this car, to be honest, I might go bag, because if I'm not gonna stay on the track like a monk, like if I'm not gonna be on the track non-stop, I might just bag it, because that felt too damn good. Like if you're daily driving your car, dude, bags are the way to go. That just felt amazing, and it felt so cool, bro. Like literally, you're just like driving, you start here, you're like Z through Charlie. I'll put his link in the description.
Follow me on YouTube and IG, Z-through.Charlie. You'll find me everywhere.
Everywhere? Well, like in the shower?
Well, in the shower, that's a different story.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, just make sure you actually hit that like button, because it does sub for both of us. So when you sub to him, just like his video before you even watch it, because you don't understand how much that helps us actually get more exposure, and it allows us to do more things. So just make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, because again, I haven't revealed, I don't know what time period I'm putting out this video, because I don't know if I've revealed the swap ready yet or not. Just subscribe for the content. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to gap everybody, especially Felipe with that Mustang. But thank you guys for watching. As always, give me a kiss.